Ready?
Yes.
All right.
Want me to lock up?
I got it. Where are we going?
Going to the market.
How many millions we're gonna make today?
A bazillion of them.
All right, let's go. Let's see. Let me lock up.
You got the key?
Key. Let's go.
I'm gonna do this. Hello, welcome to our booth. How can we help you?
We are running late, but we are all packed up. Good morning, every single one of you. Check this out. I did this for a friend. We normally don't do these this big. Hopefully he loves it. After the market. Yep, I forgot something. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
I would hate to play green light, red light with that traffic light. We're gonna drop this. Bye-bye. We got a wallet to match that car. Told you. Jill doesn't know it, but I love fighting with her. Right, Jill?
I wondered why Sophia ran away, now I know.
Oh, because of me. Told you how we're always fighting. Bueno, hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Puedo pasar?
Sí, claro.
No, es que mi esposa, si paso, olvídese, por eso pregunto.
Sí, no.
Now, how cool is this? They're making right there in front of the window before they even open up. That is super cool. I think it's awesome. Tengo buenos días, eh?
Igualmente.
Gracias. Gracias. All right, let's head back. Let's head back. The wife will be super happy. Got her coffee. What am I kidding? I'm gonna be happy. I got my coffee. Let me fix it. Good morning. I try not to say good morning to certain people because then they look at me, they grab their purse a little tighter. They might pepper spray me. I'm just being friendly, people. I'm just being friendly.
2 years.
Not my fault. I'm 6'3". The overweight part, yes, my fault completely, but not the rest. You'll be able to find us all the time. You see the waving flag. It says wallets. That's us. You'll see my wife's reaction whenever.
Coffee. Thank you.
Got it.
Okay, thanks, thin leather design. I love my single wallet in Tiffany blue.
So when I tell Sophia I'm gonna go check up in the car, it really means I'm gonna eat a cheese Danish and try to eat as fast as I can before I get back to her.
Hi, I'm Tammy Polanco, and I came and wandered to buy this awesome little leather shop. These things are super soft and super good and great for traveling. I bought 6 things, and I'm super happy about it.
Well, thank you so much for your support.
Absolutely.
On the other side of the BMW. This is what hurts my feeling the most. This little car. Oh, little stubborn under. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. As a kid, this used to be my favorite dinosaur. That and the Triceratops. How cool is this? If I'm not mistaken, this one glows in the dark. OB. The awesome ladies from Red Bull passed by, so ha ha ha, yes. So let me show you how I make these straps for leather belts. I mean, oh, look, how easy. So here it is. So what am I gonna do with this? See this piece right here in the middle? That piece, I'm gonna cut these off, these ends, and I'm gonna cut this in half. Makes 2 sets of belts off of 1 piece. But Adolfo, what are you gonna do with these pieces? Well, these are gonna be super long pieces for people. I just hit my belly, my size. And therefore we don't have a bunch of scraps left over up to right here. We use the whole thing. As you can see, we're gonna remove this piece, kind of straighten it out.
Hey, I'm Kevin. I'm from Las Vegas. I got a custom belt on to the crowd.
That's right.
All right.
All right.
Have a good day.
I'm gonna continue and do the same thing all the way to the end over there. That's it. This is the piece that we're gonna go ahead, fold over in half, cut it right there, make 2 sets of belts. There it is. 1 and 2. So this is the old one, and with a new one, slide it all the way inside this groove, all the way to the front. First, you need this one. Before I forget, remember I have the old blades here. Let's do this. All right. Oh, nice and smooth. That's what I'm talking about. So smooth. So update, I have these strips. Those I'm gonna do for tomorrow's market. And also 1.5 size all the way through. You can see it right back there. All with half a hide. Thank you so much. Can I take one for the wife? Yeah. Yeah? Thank you. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Aww. Not even my wife says that. All right, my love. It's that time. What do you feel like eating?
That GYRO.
Oh, the gyros?
Yeah, that one.
No, the friend told me it's like the year you were born, the year, and then so gyros.
GYRO.
Oh, professional. You got it. Hello, boss. How we doing? All right. May I please put an order in? I'll have the gyro sandwich with beef. Everything. How long have you been doing this for?
This 14 years, my friend.
14.
14 years.
And you have an accent. Where are you from?
Bosnian, my friend.
Bosnia.
And this is the gyros, my style here.
That's all that matters. Nobody does them like you.
Yeah.
Hey, so question, where do you set up?
Got a 5 markets. I got a Otay Rancho La Vista Tuesday, Wednesday Nia OB, Thursday North Park, Saturday Civita Park, and Sunday La Jolla.
Oh, perfect. Sounds good. Hey, whose idea was it to do the trailer where you just put your truck and you ride? Whose idea was that? Because I saw you on the freeway, remember? Wow, look what we have here. Our front neighbors at Ocean Beach.
One my friend make it.
Oh, your friend made it for you. I love your setup.
He make only frame around, I make it all inside.
Got it.
Thank you. Enjoy your gyros, okay?
Thank you. And so what do we got here?
GYRO.
Oh, you know how to say it? Awesome. All right, try it out. I'll hold these for you.
How do I eat this?
Like oversized taco.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, I know how to do that.
I know how to.
Like it? Is it deserving of happy dance? Oh, actually, happy dance it is. How about a fry? I think they're like, I don't know, they look really good. They are? So, the gyros. Yes, oh no.
Yes.
Yes? What'd you like the most about it?
The sauce.
Yeah? Awesome. And the beef was pretty tender, huh?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So it's a yes, guys. I'm out. Let's get out of here.